Okay, look, I'm doing this again because I want to show you guys I have juice in my tank, okay? My finger is pushed down, as you can see, you know, the whiteness on my finger, that it's being pushed down, all the way down. Nothing's on. The Z's not on. Again, there's juice in my tank. I'm gonna let it go and you're gonna see that the whole thing, you know, there you can see the juice. I'm gonna let it go so you can see that it, you know, everything once I let go, it'll turn on everything. But so you can see also, it's not making any noise or anything. You can't hear it smoking or anything. See, nothing. All right, so I'm gonna let go of my finger now, and notice how it all turns on. I have it at 105. I do have a full battery. The Z turns on, still have juice and everything. And then once I turn it on myself again, once I push the button once again, now you can hear it where it's burning and you can see the smoke go out. So, see, and I just wanted to show you guys and clarify, you know, I do have juice in. I do have a full battery when it did happen. And I have tried several different tanks. This is my new tank, the Valerian. Before the Valerian, I had the Crown 3, and before the Crown 3, I had another tank on it. I don't remember what the name of that tank was. And then, actually, right before this one, and between the Crown 3, I actually had the, man, I don't know what it's called. This is my 4th tank that I've tried with this mod. I did take it back to the store, and you know they don't do returns because of the rules and stuff. And it doesn't matter what color batteries, because I can have the brown ones. These are the LG. I also have 3 Samsung ones. I'm sorry, 2 Samsung ones, and they're the green ones, and it still happens the same way. If you view my previous videos, well. Again, 4th tank on this Kaos, and I love it, but just that one glitch that I have experienced. And other than that, it's a really good mod. Hopefully somebody can give me some pointers on, or if I need to just change it out. I was told that it might be a button glitch, that I might need the button replaced or something, but I've only had it since December, and it happened about 2 weeks after I'm sorry, no, not 2 weeks, 1 week. The first week I had it was when it started doing that. But all right, well, thanks for listening.